winds of change inspire new technologies. Years in development, from the first television to the first smart home appliances, Hisense has grown into a global conglomerate with a multi-brand matrix and has been rated as the top 10 foreigners' familiar China brand. Founded in 1996, Hisense Air Conditioning Company has been constantly innovating for over 20 years and established production bases, global R&D centers, and training centers worldwide. With cutting-edge R&D capabilities and high-quality manufacturing, Hisense Air Conditioner has become a leading representative inverter expert globally. Hisense air conditioners are equipped with proprietary inverter drive solutions that effectively achieves energy conservation and emission reduction. Fresh air technology enables over 99% filtration efficiency. Hisense places scientific innovation before the times, imprinting new technologies onto name cards and presenting the best products to the whole world. At Hisense, we firmly believe product quality determines everything. Hisense boasts a first-class team of top experts dedicated to improving R&D quality and obtained over 2,700 R&D patents from 2013 to 2023. Hisense Testing Center is officially approved by over 10 global certifications, including CNAS, CQC, TUV, and more. For consumer satisfaction in terms of stability and excellent performance, we have made significant efforts. We ensure our products can withstand temperatures ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius, providing users with the most comfortable temperature. We detect the lowest noise levels of air conditioners under various conditions to create a quiet living environment for users. We simulate all mistakes that could occur during 3,000 kilometers of transportation and handling, ensuring products reach users in their most perfect initial state. 17 quality experiments, countless simulations, analysis, and optimization adjustments build every product to high standards in quality. Production quality is crucial as well. Hisense has established a comprehensive quality management system with strict quality control standards to ensure manufacturing precision and advanced testing equipment to guarantee every component meets high standards. A harmonious blend of advanced robotics and a specialized workforce ensures every detail is precisely accounted for during the assembly process. Hisense air conditioner factories have 70% automation coverage. The SRM, VMI, JIT, and other supply chain systems are adopted in accordance with the advanced one-piece flow mode. The production and logistics ways are optimized by means of i.e. man-machine engineering. Cooperating with Hisense self-developed robots, intelligent navigation, automation equipment, and other devices, the factory achieves maximum resource utilization efficiency. Hisense is committed to building multifunctional, integrated green factories with EMS at the core, adopting distributed photovoltaics, energy storage, and waste heat recovery to ensure low carbon emissions and low energy consumption in production. Good products require innovations. Hisense air conditioners never cease iterating steps from good to better. Hisense speaks with smart manufacturing, magnifying every tiny component to endless quality, presenting China's manufacturing capabilities to the world. Hisense, go tech and beyond.